Welcome back to Daxton's Garage, and I'm got a chainsaw for you today. It's cold, I can't feel my fingers, but I'm using carburetor cleaner, so I have to be outside. It's nice out here though, you know, you can see your own breath. No, can't do that. Anyways, let me flip around the camera. We got this sick STIHL chainsaw. Little tiny itty bitty guy. Little itty bitty chainsaw. Isn't it so cute? And you can't cut your face off, well, you're less likely to. It's got a brake. That's nice. You know, haven't done anything to it. It just is here, and it's got snow on it, so you know it's good. Anyways, it's a little slippery. Anyways, first operation is finding the spark plug. That's a good question. No idea where that is. You know, I say we just pull on her and see what happens. I don't even know where the gas tank is on this thing. So yeah, let's check the gas. I think this is gas. I need a screwdriver. I'll be back. We got this sick STIHL chainsaw. Little tiny itty bitty guy. Little itty bitty chainsaw. Isn't it so cute? And you can't cut your face off, well, you're less likely to. It's got a brake. That's nice. You know, haven't done anything to it. It just is here, and it's got snow on it, so you know it's good. Okay, I'm back. And yeah, you can't really see me, but I'm here. How are you supposed to get this off? There we go. Unscrewing something. This may be bar lube. I'm gonna sniff it. Oh, wait. I found something that says mix. Okay, so this is bar lube. This is completely empty. Keep that as a no. So we're gonna need some gas. I'm just unscrewing the gas cap. Jesus Christ. This is a gas cap held on by. There goes my screwdriver. Oh, and there goes my glove. Okay. Ooh, it's got the quick stop. Okay. Okay. Raw and unedited, eh? Okay. Come on. Come on. Stop. Okay. Come on. This is great. This is fun. Oh, there we go. I finally undid it. And that's our gas. Oh, I gotta go. You know, my camera is right by the gas can, so you just get to see me. Yay. Hello. And this is mixed. This is just 50 to 1. I don't know what it takes, but might as well just put 50 to 1 in it. And we just screw that cap back on. I said screw the cap back on. Why isn't it screwing back on? Come on, screw the cap back on. Oh, there's a rubber seal. Okay, yeah, I know this is really boring. I probably should I'm just gonna. Anyways, welcome back for me. It's a little warmer, just a little warmer, because I'm inside. But I got some progress done. I've got the spark plug unmounted. It looks really good, actually. Pretty clean. Anyways, tiny little guy. I got that, and then I'm just working on unbolting this. Let me turn around the key. Okay, let's bolt this. Jesus Christ. Okay, maybe I should find a better socket size. Okay, I found the right socket. Okay, Jesus. This. The heck is this? Okay, there we go. Isn't this fun? Fun content. I'm gonna get all this unbolted because it's really boring. Okay, I got that off. I just unbolted a little bolt right here, and then that just, this little safety thing just slid out. I wonder if I can just disengage that. Who needs safety? Anyways, we got some cobwebs and a lot of grease. I'm just gonna clean this up by doing some scraping. Okay, I'm back. I got my bore scope. Got some grease cleaned off. You know, it looks really clean actually. Looks pretty good. Okay. And get the bore scope fired up. Sticker in the spark plug hole. Looks pretty good. I like that. Yeah. I said they don't have 3 hands, but I'm just gonna turn it off and come back. Or wait, no, I might be able to do this. I just want to see if the piston moves. Yeah, this is real difficult here. Okay, I got the chain somewhat back on. Good enough. Good enough. You know, it's not going to be cutting wood anytime soon. Come on. Anyways, put this back on. Come on. Anyways, I'm gonna check it for spark, and I can't really hold the camera on so I'm just going to, you know, close it. To confirm, I don't think it's spark. I checked as good as I can, but I don't think it's gotten me. So I'm gonna keep disassembling it, and I'm gonna check the carburetor. But you know, it's a little hard to hold a camera when you only have 2 hands. But yeah, I'm gonna not flip around the camera. I'm just gonna do it off camera. Okay. Our carburetor. If you look down there, it looks pretty decent actually. Like, no idea about the jets, but I'm gonna just try to spray some starter fluid in there. See what happens. I got my homemade concoction here. We're just gonna prime it. There we go. Spray a little bit in there. Okay. No idea if I'm starting this thing right, but okay. Pump it a couple times. ground, it's gonna be a little easier to start it. So, I'm gonna be down here. She's the life. Well, I'm gonna spray some more into her. Spray some more into her and see if I can get her to idle. Maybe clean out a jet or two, but that's pretty positive. Oh yeah, she's got life. Well, she's somewhat alive. I think that calls it for today. Oh, I'm tired. Well, I got her running. I need to sharpen the chain, but she runs great.